Hey guys, today with this question we will be calculating the ROC curve, the AUC curve. What we have is this data, okay, oops, with this data where plus meaning it's sick, minus it's not sick, and we have this classification function. So just for you to note. Anyway, so we're gonna calculate the AUC value and the ROC curve. What we did here was to calculate the cost, which was the previous section, the previous task. Anyway, so now we will do the same logic. We'll do each cutoff point, okay? We'll classify the rest as minus and see how does the ROC curve change. So if we put the cutoff here and classify all of them as minus, we'll see what happened, and then put the cutoff here, then classify only him as plus, then we'll put the cutoff here and classify both of them as plus, and then we'll put the cutoff here and then plus, etc. So first we set a value to be 7 divided by 12, sorry. And if the CI is bigger than the V minimum, then we'll set it to be plus, else it's 0, okay, which is same as minus. So we are all classified as negative. And for each one of them, I also wrote the true positive and the false positive value, okay? So just to be precise, true positive meaning we said it's going to be positive and it is actually positive. False positive meaning we said it's going to be positive. We said it's going to be positive, but we were wrong, okay? Just to be clear. Anyway, so, and here we calculate the true positive rate and the false positive rate, okay, just for everyone to have the idea. So the true positive rate, how do we calculate it? We do true positive divided by divided by the false negative value plus the true positive value, okay, and the false positive rate will be the false positive divided by the false positive plus the true negative value, okay. So let's keep going. And what I did was change the cutoff to be half. So now we only classified this row as plus, which is already plus, meaning now we have this matrix. The true positive is 1, okay? The false positive is 0. And we calculate the true positive rate to have 1 divided by 1 plus 2, which is third. The false positive rate will be 0 divided by 0 plus 3, which is again 0. Then we set a cutoff to be 1 divided by 3. And now the true positive rate is third, and the false positive is 1, okay, because we classify both row as plus, but this row, this row is minus, actually, like in reality. So just so you know, this is actually minus. Anyway, so we have 1 here, 1 here. So we do 1 divided by 3 here and 1 divided by 3 here. Okay, and then we change the cutoff to 1 divided by 4th and 2 divided by 2 plus 1 and 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, by the way, if you forgot, we took the values from here. Okay, so each time we just move the function. And so we get to 1 divided by 12, and now we classify all of this is plus, but this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So we were wrong about 2 items when we said they're gonna be positive, but they were actually negative. Anyway, so we have the true positive rate will be 2 divided by 3, and the false positive rate between 2 divided by 3. Now we change the cutoff to minus 1 divided by 6, and we're still wrong about only these 2, but we were right about 1, 2, and 3. So 3 here, 2 here, and 1 here, which is true negative, which is the minus 1 divided by 6. So we calculate the true positive rate and the false positive rate, and now we set the V minimum to be a little bit less than y divided by minus 6, because we want to see what happened when we said for everyone you are just sick or plus. Anyway, so we have 3 here, 3 here, and 0 here, and 0 here. What does that mean? That for everyone we just predicted you're gonna be plus or sick, and for 3 were wrong, 3 were right. Okay, 3 right, 3 wrong. So the true positive rate is 1, and the false positive rate is also 1. Anyway, now I created with Python, and by the way, I can do it manually, just drawing the points. Okay. And now to calculate the AUC value, we just calculate the area under the curve. So what I did was just divide it into rectangles and then just calculate. I know each one of them is 1/3, so I just put the values here and then calculate it. It's pretty simple, you can do it. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Until next time, I'm out.